This video is all about how to insert an image from a shared Google folder onto your Google site. The first step in this process is to open a Google Chrome browser or a Safari browser. Do not use Internet Explorer. You're going to go to drive.google.com in your address bar and press enter. That will take you to your login screen. Here you're going to type in your 3 letters and your 4 numbers at g.coppellisd.com with your password for the computer. Unclick the Stay Signed In button and then click on the blue Sign In button. While this is loading, I want to remind you that this is a video, so if at any point in time you need to pause or rewind or completely rewatch the video, that is totally up to you, and I would encourage you to do that. The next step will be to click on the Shared with Me area over here underneath Google Drive and the Create button. So click on Shared with Me. Then you're going to type in the word Pics in the search bar up at the top of your screen. That will show for you, or filter, Google will filter all of the pics that have been shared with you. You're looking for a folder that is named with your teacher's first name and pics. This is Miss Vin Johns, but of course you're looking for your teacher's name, pictures. Once you've found that folder, click on it, and inside that folder are all of the images that you have to choose from to add to your Google site. So I choose to add this one to my site, so I'm going to click on it one time. Then I'm going to come up here to the top right hand corner of my screen and click on the pop out button. It looks like a square with an arrow coming out of the side. Click on that. Once you're here, you're going to right click on top of the image, so make sure you're not over here in this gray area. You're going to click on top of the image. You're going to right click to open up this menu. I want you to select Copy Image URL. Click on that one time. Next, you're going to open, you can either open a new tab, or let's come back to this existing tab and get to where you can see this 3x3 array. That's your kind of your home button for all of your Google apps. Click on that, then click on Sites. From here, you should see a list of sites that you've created or sites that have been shared with you. So you can see that I have several sites. I'm going to choose to put this image on my iTeam site. So I'm going to click on the name of my site one time. I'm going to decide where that image is going to go. So my pages are over here on the right hand side. Your pages are over here on the left hand side. So make sure that you have clicked on the correct page for whatever IB unit you were working with or where this image came from. So I'm going to put this image on my home page. So click on the pencil to open the Edit menu. And when you see this little flashing line, that's called your cursor. So wherever your cursor is wherever your image will go. So I want my image to be at the top of my page, so make sure my cursor is up there. I'm going to now click on Insert, Image, and then instead of an uploaded image, I'm going to select this web address URL, and I'm going to paste by right-clicking again in this text box, or you can use Command V on a Mac or Control V on a desktop. And when you see your image here, that's a good thing. If you don't see your image there, that means you did not get the correct URL from over here whenever we were clicking on that pop out and right clicking and copying the image URL. So when you see this picture, that's a good thing. If you don't see this picture, rewind the video and try again. Click on OK, and it adds that image to your Google site. It also gives you this menu. This, you can decide if you want your picture aligned on the left, center, or right hand side of the page. You can also change the size from small, medium, large, 100%, or original. So you need to decide what looks good on your page. You don't want your image to be too big or too small, so make a good choice about that. and then your image will stay once you click Save. So you can do that as many times as you need until you have all of your images on your page.